Hi everybody, Mr. Fitzgerald here. I'm going to quickly show you how Quizlet can be a great way to use the technology to practice and review terms and vocabulary. So you'll see that the Quizlet for math is right here, geometry terms practice. And what you would do in Schoology is click that. Okay, and then you're going to open it up in a fresh tab, which is right up here. Okay, so open that up. Okay, and you'll see that I was the one who made these geometry terms. And what you're going to do is click through the words, and you can either use your mouse or use the keyboard, and you're going to try and think about what array is. And then you think to yourself, array, okay, has an endpoint and then a line that goes on forever. Okay, and then you check and see if your answer is correct. You can use these as flashcards to practice endpoints, the two parts of a line, then end a line segment. Or you can do some other things. Okay, you can play some games. You might play the match game. Okay, the match game is you got to match the terms up. Okay, so you find Ray, and you find what you think is the answer connected for Ray. So a part of a line with one endpoint that continues in one direction is a ray. So you can use those words to practice your matching and practice your geometry terms. Also, you can take a test and practice, test yourself. Okay, and you could do a 5 written question, a 3-sided polygon. This is an triangle. So Quizlet is an awesome way to test your understanding of the geometry terms or other vocabulary terms as we continue.